If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today we're looking at Bitcoin trying to start the new week with a bang, and so far this is something that I want to tell you that number one, we are making a little bit of a very good cross right here. So we do have a small bullish cross on the 4-hour time frame right there, and but the EMAs is not what we really need right now. There's this horizontal line that I've been talking about with you for a little bit of a time there. So this horizontal line has actually been broken out. So 50% of the work is done here. So you can see that we did actually break out and make a bullish closing right there. So today we could potentially even come down to backtest things, and then from there we could actually move. So taking this top here and taking that bottom right there, this is your next technical target that we could be looking for Bitcoin to go to, and that is actually $19,000. So $19,000, if we do actually get a little bit of an entry right there, that could be an amazing 10% move to the upside for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's something that I was expecting, and the reason why I was expecting something like this is because if I show you the weekly once again, I want to reassure you for you to be careful. So if I dive into the weekly, we still have a technical target 7,894. What is happening is that you broke out very badly like this, and you're just backtesting things. This is a backtest on the weekly time frame. If that flag is not playing out like this to move lower, you can see we've actually broken out the flag to the upside. So the direction just changed suddenly, and we don't have this target right now at the moment, but we still have this target as well because this flag is in play. Okay, even if you're not really going to play out this one, but this flag is still in play, and to invalidate that flag you need to come above 25,000. Now the thing about this one is that if I turn on the EMAs, then you can see the EMA, anytime you push down, you came to the 10, backtest the 10, failed, push down, backtest the 10, fail, push down, go to the 10 again, fail again, push down, and now you can see the technical target takes you up there, but then again you're going to be dealing with the 10 EMA, and if you fail the 10 EMA, you have a very big level of resistance right there at the 19,000 or the middle of 18,000, and I think this is going to be the last pump we get before next week we start to potentially roll down. So this week could be good, next week maybe sideways and dojis, and then after maybe 10 days from there you start to really have a very bad time for December and for Bitcoin, and for people who don't know and who are not listening to probably what I'm trying to explain right now. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. Quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.